Hello there. Welcome to Taste Without Borders. On today's edition, you will learn how to cook pho. Kindly subscribe for more tutorials. Pho is the national dish of Vietnam and one of its most beloved foods. It is a fragrant noodle soup made with rice noodles, clear broth, and herbs, usually served with beef, phở bò, or chicken, phở gà. Pho is often eaten for breakfast in Vietnam, but is now enjoyed any time of the day around the world. The broth is the heart of the dish, simmered for hours with bones and spices to achieve its deep aromatic flavor. Ingredients: phở bò, beef pho, 4 servings. For the broth, 1 kilogram, 2 pounds. Beef bones, marrow or knuckle, 300 g, 10 ounces. Beef brisket or flank, 1 large onion, halved. 1 piece fresh ginger, about 7 centimeters, halved lengthwise. 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 star anise, 4 cloves, 2 cardamom pods optional, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, salt to taste, 3 liters, 12 cups water. For serving, 400 g, 14 ounces. Flat rice noodles. Pho noodles, thinly sliced raw beef, sirloin or eye of round, bean sprouts, fresh herbs, Thai basil, cilantro, mint, lime wedges, fresh chili slices, hoisin sauce and sriracha, optional, for dipping or flavoring. Method: 1. Char the aromatics. Roast onion and ginger over an open flame or in a hot pan until lightly blackened. This gives depth to the broth. 2. Prepare the bones and meat. Parboil the beef bones in boiling water for 5 minutes to remove impurities. Drain, rinse, and place bones in a clean pot with fresh water. 3. Simmer the broth. Add bones, brisket, charred onion, and ginger. Thai spices, cinnamon, star anise, cloves, cardamom, coriander seeds in a spice bag or cheesecloth and add to the pot. Simmer gently for 3 to 4 hours, skimming off foam. Season with fish sauce and salt to taste. Remove brisket after 1.5 to 2 hours. When tender, slice thinly and set aside. 4. Prepare noodles and toppings. Cook pho noodles according to package instructions, usually 2 to 3 minutes in hot water. Drain. Arrange noodles in bowls. 5. Assemble the pho. Top noodles with sliced brisket and a few slices of raw beef. Pour boiling hot broth over the top. The heat will cook the raw beef slices. Serve with bean sprouts, fresh herbs, lime wedges, and chili on the side. Serving. Pho is eaten hot, with each person customizing their bowl with herbs, lime juice, chili, and sauces. It's warming, aromatic, and considered comfort food in Vietnam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.